Hey everyone, welcome back to Levelsofstylewith with Sandra. Today I am sharing with you Thrift Tuesday, and we will be styling out a fall tablescape. So before we do the styling, I'm briefly going to share with you my thrifted items, and then we will get into the tablescape. So we are going to start off first with my plates. And these are some beautiful plates that I thrifted at Goodwill. And it also came with the dessert plate. I have a total of 6 of each. But I want to add a little more drama to my tablescape. So I will be pairing it with these beautiful rustic charger plates, as well as my Pier 1 salad plate. I want to give a little drama, like I said, to my tablescape. Now, I also will be using 4 of my 6 hammered copper or brass napkin rings. I will be using these beautiful candlesticks that I purchased at the Goodwill. I recently hauled them. And going to be using these candlestick holders. Now, they were glass, and I just spray painted them the oil rub color. Now, I don't know which glass I want to use. If I'm going to use 3 or just 2, but I'm loving this combination. All of these were thrifted at the Goodwill. I have, I believe, 6 of these. I only have 4 of this beautiful, and I only have 4 of these water goblets. But I will be adding these. And my vases to my beautiful flower arrangement. Now, I did create these off camera, but I still will be adding another element to them. Now, this vase I thrifted probably like 3 years ago, and it was original red, and I spray painted it black. This right here is original. I can't remember now what color it was, but I spray painted, and I did haul this, and it was $3.99, and it is a home goods base, but I spray painted that as well. Little mini electric iron that I had purchased 50% off, and yeah, I'm going to use this to iron my napkins. I have some beautiful napkins from eFavorMart. Let me see if I can get some of these wrinkles out. Again, this is an Amazon special that I picked up at Goodwill. All right. Well, guys, we are going to keep on If you are new to the channel and you have not yet subscribed, please consider subscribing. And if you are a LOSWS family member that is returning, you know I appreciate your continued support. And please, everyone, like, comment, share, and subscribe. And let's get into this tablescape. right, everyone, we are at the end of the video. I thank you for stopping by for my Thrift Tuesday. Please be blessed and be a blessing to someone else. And I will see you the very next time that I upload. Bye-bye.